if I understand you correctly, you're saying, how do I balance this personal responsibility, like that I have for myself and then have for other people? Is that what you're meaning?
Yeah. So like with my work, I don't have children yet, but with my work and with responsibilities to my husband and just to my home, cooking meals and all of that, where do I find that balance or prioritization of that's your time, this is my time? How do I switch hats?
Yes. I call it kind of switching gears, right? Because we've got these different gears. We've got the mom gear, we got the wife gear, we got the whatever, we got the worker gear, the business owner, the whatever. We got all these gears, right? And the car still is running. So we just have to decide which gear we're going to go in. I love that question of what's my time, what's your time? And I would go back to, I shared this on Studio 5, and I have a free download on my website. If you go to conniesokol.com, it's in the spotlight, but it's on 5-finger living. And you're probably familiar with it because I know you're familiar with my stuff, but the 5-finger living, I forget this stuff sometimes. I mean, I'm living it, but I forget. I'm like, oh yeah, that's a really good tool. How come I stopped using that? So I started using it again. But it's pretty much innate in what I do, but it's always good to tidy. But that's taking 5 areas of your life. So maybe it's your husband and your work and your home, and you know what I mean? So whatever it might be, and put those on your finger, and then get kind of a mindset of what that might look like. So for me, every day I do something for God, myself, my family, my purpose, and then service. So I'm doing something in each one of those. I'm not doing them all day. I wish my kids wish that I would, but I'm not going to do them all day. I'm doing a little bit here and there so that by the time my head hits the pillow, I feel like, generally speaking, I attended to the things that mattered most. And that's what matters most to me. Even if it was a crazy day, and even if the dishes are still in the sink, I got those things attended to. So you could try that, start with 5 areas of where you're going, okay, these 5 areas are the things that are most important. And when you go through the day, you just kind of look at your hand and go, oh, where am I at? Have I done something for my purpose? Have I done something for myself? Maybe I need to just take a rest right now. So that's one way to do it.